let's take you to a signature project by Equinox Realty. The project has a curiously lovely name, Water's Edge. Thoughtfully conceived and carefully designed for those who really know luxury. Here's a showcase.
Touted by many as the next MG Road of Bangalore, Hebbal is now the most sought-after property destination. Located in Bangalore North, which has seen a slew of projects by developers, Hebbal remains exclusive to luxury home buyers. Conveniently located on the highway to the airport and just 15 minutes away from the city centre, Hebbal offers a blend of access and serene surroundings. Keeping these aspects in mind, Equinox Realty has chosen Hebbal for its foray into the residential space, with its signature development named Water's Edge, which promises to offer luxury home buyers the best value for money. With a pristine view of Nagawara Lake on the outer ring road, Water's Edge is hoping to create a new benchmark in lifestyle construction. Well-planned apartments, ingeniously crafted interiors, international standards of quality, and a range of exclusive services and recreational amenities are all on offer at Water's Edge.
Water's Edge is Equinox's first residential project and therefore our signature offering. So when we started out, we didn't want to create just another project. And what really emerged, was something outstanding even on the drawing board. It was 5 towers that went up 40 stories, something that Bangalore hasn't seen to date. And then it was just 2 apartments to a floor, and also, every tower having a view of the lake. So it was, the whole project in itself had a very unique flavor. And then we decided that we are going to go with this, and that's how Water's Edge was born.
Spread over 8 acres, Water's Edge will also see among the tallest towers in Bangalore, with 5 40-storied high-rises and over 400 apartments on completion. Starting at approximately 2,500 square feet and going as high as approximately 8,000 square feet, the apartments at Water's Edge come in the range of 3 BHK, 4 BHK, garden duplex and penthouses. These have been meticulously designed for maximum ventilation. Owners also get upgrade options in internal finishes and even luxury additions like jacuzzis in their apartments. For security, there is a 4-tier security system with access controls and home automation system and gas leakage detection system. Each tower has 2 automated high-speed passenger elevators and 1 service elevator, all with intercoms. There is also provision for power backup for apartments. Residents will also have access to a medical center and a convenience shopping center and the provision of a creche. Water's Edge maintains its luxury feel even outside the homes, with a top-end clubhouse and a wide variety of premium sports and recreational amenities. Poolside party decks, luxury guest suites, a private screening gallery, and a golf simulator are some of the lifestyle features on offer.
At Water's Edge, we have a range of sport facilities. We have a dedicated indoor sports complex which has on offer a state-of-the-art golf simulator, besides all your typical indoor games like badminton, squash and billiards. Stepping out, we offer spaces for activities like beach volleyball, cycling, skating and tennis, which really will make it enjoyable for all kids and adults alike.
The project construction is in progress and is expected to be completed in about 4 years. Work on Phase 1, comprising of 2 towers, is currently on, and Phase 2 will be launched early next year. The customers of Water's Edge can view this progress in real time on an iPad given to them, which has a custom-built app with all project details and a live view of the construction site. This is in line with Equinox's commitment to transparency. This iPad can also be hooked onto the home automation system in the apartments later. With key factors like a premium location, well-designed residences, and a host of lifestyle amenities, Water's Edge is the perfect find for any luxury home connoisseur.
When we come back, go green with us.